In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Trello board view. By the end, you'll know exactly how to switch between different ways of seeing your work so you can focus on what matters most without changing any of your actual cards. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your favorite search engine. In the search bar, type Trello and press Enter. Click the official Trello website from the results to go to the homepage. Once you're there, navigate to the board you want to work with. You can choose any board you already use, maybe a project board, a personal to-do list, or a team board inside your workspace. When your board opens, look toward the top of the screen near the board's name. You'll see a small drop-down, or a button that lets you change how the board is displayed. This is the Views switcher. Click that drop-down to reveal your options. Now, choose the view that best fits what you need right now. The classic board view shows your lists and cards in the familiar Kanban style. Great for moving tasks from to-do to done. If you want a spreadsheet-like overview across lists, pick the table view. It's helpful when you need to compare details side by side. For date-driven work, select the calendar view to see cards with due dates arranged by day, week, or month, which is perfect for planning deadlines and launches. If you're tracking progress and overall workload, try the dashboard view. It gives you visual summaries like counts, charts, and other high-level insights. For long-range planning, the timeline view lays cards out by date so you can spot overlaps and dependencies at a glance. And if your cards include location data, the map view will place them on a map, which is handy for site visits, deliveries, or location-based tasks. As you switch between these views, remember that you're not changing your data, just how it's presented. The same cards, due dates, members, and labels stay in place across all views. If you don't immediately see the option you're looking for, try expanding the window or checking for a Views button. Availability can vary depending on your workspace plan and permissions, so some views might not appear in every setup. That's it. Open Trello, load your board, click the drop-down at the top, and pick the view that helps you work smarter. Experiment with each option to find the one that gives you the clearest picture of your tasks. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.